Good evening, Tradespooners, and let's take a look at today's pick for January 29th, 2014. We're looking to go into a long position in Constellation Brands, that's ticker symbol STZ. Taking a look at our proprietary risk-reward rating here at Tradespoon, we're looking at a 3, which is on the lower end of that curve, and the value momentum is coming in at a 9, which is right at the top of that 1 through 10 rating scale. So definitely seeing that come into play. Taking a look at the price action for STZ, the closing price as of the 28th was at 78.23, and we have it right off the 52-week highs of 81.56, so the momentum has been to the upside. We see that the 52-week low is 28.37, and there's a vol change of 100%, but we actually have to mark that out and discount that because there was, as you can see from the graph right here, a dip below the 0 mark, which we would not see in the implied volatility world. That's just a bad vol print. Matter of fact, if we go back and look at it historically, the low right now has right around 17 and 15.68, and it's currently right around 20.45, which you can see from the table in the graph, which basically is about a 30% pop in implied volatility, but it is on the move. The return on capital is going to be right at the 40% mark. The probability of success right now is being calculated at 60%, and the estimated move going into February expiration is $2.50. So let's take a look at today's pick. As far as the stock trade's concerned, we're looking for an entry price in STZ to buy stock at a limit price of $78.23 or better. That basically, you're going to put that in tomorrow, and we're going to put in a target gain when we're filled at that price or better, $8.50 higher on this long transaction. And so that's roughly going to get you out at around $56 and around 73 cents. So you put a sell limit good till cancel to take profits at that level. Now, its loss is going to be $8.50 lower than your entry price, which would get you out at right around 69.70. So you'd put a sell stop order, again, good till cancel. And as we've suggested in the past, you should be looking at positioning right around 3 to 5% of either the cash available or percentage buying power. For the options trade, we're looking to buy the February $77.50 calls. We're looking to put an entry price or a limit price in of $2.05. If we're filled at 205, we want to put in a target gain $2.05 higher or $4.10, and that sell limit will be out there good until cancel. Your max loss is going to be 100% of the debit that you pay, or the $2.05 or $205. Now, again, we're suggesting that you use somewhere between 2.5 to 10% tops for your cash available or percentage buying power in any options strategy. And now looking at the spread trade, we're looking to actually sell a put spread. We're going to sell the $77.50 puts and collect $1.25. So that is a credit. We do not want to have that unlimited risk or risk down to 0. So we're going to buy an insurance policy below that strike price we sold, and we're going to buy the February $75 puts. And for that, we have to pay 55 cents, which means that our net profit will be 70 cents or $70 per contract, and that's if the stock is above 77.50 at expiration. Our max loss is going to be 70 cents, which means that you're going to put a buy stop out on this particular spread. It's a buy stop limit, good until cancel, at $1.40. So when this credit spread is trading for $1.40 or greater, what we will do is we will then close the transaction. And as always, you can utilize the virtual trade here at Tradespoon so that you can actually work out the risk and capital management if this is the first time that you're doing any of these transactions. Now, taking a look at the stock charts, like I've noted, the stock has been on a nice trend to the upside. We've had that gap since basically the end of the year and into the beginning of the year. And you've seen that it's pulled back here, but it's holding support. So we want to keep an eye on that. And specifically, we also want to keep an eye on any key stock events. And the one that we like to always look at is earnings, and we can see that earnings have been beat. So you can clearly see that while they beat, there is some sort of, and the stock is trading below its intrinsic value with a low PE, so there is room for upside potential movement. And as always, we will show the latest news and commentary to help make you better valuations. And we are about to put up the proprietary analyst report. That's actually going to come out by tomorrow's open. So please keep an eye over here for that. And as always, if you ever need any help, you can email us at info@tradespoon.com. Well, that's it for today's pick, going long Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ, for January 29th. Till then, we'll talk to you tomorrow and have a great trading day.